Cave bound. It's a shade before 4. It's $2.05 a gallon today, same as it was Saturday. No change. I like it. I talked to the Mumbles man, see if he wanted to go. He said no, he couldn't go. He'd been to the doctor. The doctor's checking him out for something. He said he'd let me know after Wednesday. We got an appointment with the doctor on Wednesday. Beaver was red hot. Beaver went to the Land of Nada Saturday, I think. Found 3 rings. A titanium and a gold ring mix. A titanium center and an outer gold. Older looking gold ring with some kind of stone in it and a silver ring. I think that's what it was. He's still red hot. Well, he went yesterday and didn't find any rings, so he said it's sand. It moved a lot of sand around. I'm not sure he's going today or not, but if he does, I'll add it to the end of the thing, along with his gold tickets. Stand by. Damn, it's rough. Rough as bricks almost. I don't like it. Well, I see a looter right there. I know who it is too. Top secret looter. Stand by. Well, we still got 3 steps. That's a good sign. Looks like it came up about 7 or 8 foot higher. I'm going right here by the cave. 1202 strong. See what 1202 is. 1202, 1 scoop. I just see some rocks. Take it up here and dump it out. There it is, whatever it is, I don't see it yet. Must be something small. Right in there. I see it. It's a little piece of copper something. Well, I got one of these already. Got a pull tab and that piece of copper. On the back side of this bar, you see, it's not too bad right here. We got ring and a scoop. Ring and a scoop. These are fine ticket too, buddy. Look at that ice in that baby. Ah! I don't know what all that copper means though. I don't think I like it. I just have to take it, you know what I mean? Ring and a scoop. I tell you, I ain't dressed warm enough for this. The temperature's dropped about 12 degrees, 15 degrees since I've been here. These waves are just rough enough to slap upon you and make you wet and cold. I don't like it. Stand by. This can't be good. A motorcycle. Motorcycle. Bummer. That's not good at all. I was almost home. I got a call from a lady, said she had some knives for me to pick up. So I made sort of a U-turn. She was only like 5 or 6 minutes away. Stand by. We'll see what they look like. Okay, we got them. We just wait till we get home to take a look at them. They're wrapped up in a towel. This one of them's a food chopper or a food cutter of some sort. 4-sided food cutter processor. Actually, it's 6-sided. It's got four long blades, and these 2 little blades on top got teeth, blades on them. Interesting looking thing, isn't it? See what these taquitos in here are. Come on, get out of there. Wustoffs. A big one and a little one. 8-inch chef's knife and a para. They're not too bad. Okay, we got something to do in the morning. We got a lot of knives to do in the morning. I got 2 calls. I got to take some restaurant knives back. And the time's not low till 6, so we probably get in a spin tomorrow too, the weather permitting. So we're at the roundup. And this is the interesting thing we found. But I got no clue what it is. But it does have 2 batteries. I'm sure it says, that's a battery like a hearing aid or like a dog collar thing. And there's another one in there. But they sit into this little arm-looking thing right here. There's 2 of them. I don't know what that is, but got batteries in it. 2 mega pennies. Some crap. I don't know what a 22 is, but I found a 22 shell. You saw that. There's that first Chiquita. And the nitro. 2-pill nitro. Copper. Isn't that a fine ticket right there? God almighty. But it's a ringy-dingy, as my buddy would say. Okay, let me go see if I can find beaver stuff, and I'll add that into the back. I got a what's it here, and I think that's all it is too, is a what's it. I'll crack it tomorrow. It does look interesting around the edges though, you see it? Could be a button, or a Levi button, or Levi snap, or God knows, you can't never tell. We'll crack it tomorrow and find out. We can browse a little bit. Stand by for Doc Beaver report. Alright, that's Dr. Beaver's stuff. Silver ring of titanium, a little gold ring with red stones, and a gold band with a titanium stripe through the middle. That's his license plate now. He's got a new license plate. That's a nice looking ticket right there. 14K titanium, 5.4 grams. I don't know what this is. That's the next day. I told you he didn't do much. You can see just a bunch of crap. That was yesterday. Okay, that's the end of the, as we